Hello दोस्तों, welcome to our Eco Warrior channel. In this video, we learn about eco-friendly garden. Eco-friendly gardens, also known as sustainable gardens, prioritize environmental health by using natural process and materials to create a thriving ecosystem. Here are some key features and benefits. Native plants, use of local plants that require less water and support local wildlife. Organic practices, avoidance of synthetic fertilizer and pesticide, opting for natural compost and pest control methods. Water conservation, implementation of rainwater harvesting, drip irrigation, and aquascaping to reduce water usage. Soil health, use of mulch, cover crops, and crop rotation to improve soil fertility and structure. Wildlife habitats, incorporation of features like birdhouses, pollinator gardens, and native trees to support biodiversity. Benefits, biodiversity support a variety of plants and animals, promoting a balanced ecosystem. Pollution reduction, minimize chemical runoff and air pollution, contributing to cleaner surrounding. Water conservation, reduce water uses and promote sustainable practices. Soil health, enhance soil quality, reducing erosion and improving plants growth. Carbon sequestration, help absorb carbon dioxide, mitigating climate change impacts. Health benefits, provide fresh produce, reduce stress, and encourages outdoor activity. Creating an eco-friendly garden not only enhances the beauty of your space but also